welcome back everyone. So today we are doing something a little bit different. We've actually come to a nature reserve, which is pretty cool. I've bought myself a nice Sigma lens, nice long distance lens. So we've come here, a couple of bird hides, see what we can see some nature. There is a little bit of history as well.
Yes.
We've got a few bits to see. So as usual, come along for the ride. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Welcome to all our new followers. And let's get exploring. We've come here today because I managed to treat myself. So I bought myself a Sigma. It's a 150-600. I'm really getting into sort of bird photography and sort of things like that. So this was a perfect place to come. It's free, obviously, to come. There's loads of hides, all sorts of birds, everything ranging from ducks to right the way up to kestrels and buzzards. And as you can hear, there's something over there.
There's something over there.
The walk here does go along to Utahbeach, so there's plenty to see. So yeah, let's go see what else we can find.
Yeah, we'll briefly show you the beach, but we'll probably come back in the summer and do the Normandy beaches.
Yeah. This also, so the beach is linked to our video we did quite a few weeks ago now. We'll leave a link up at the top showing the war bunkers.
Yes.
So yeah, maybe check that
At
out.
Long-sur-Mer.
That's it.
So Robin.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart.
So as you saw, that was Utahbeach, and as you can see, it was very windy, and now I'm very dishevelled. So we're going to go back through the nature reserve, try and find the bird hides, and hopefully Matt gets to use his big lens.
Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
So we've just come along the coast a bit to the Utah Memorial and the rest of the beach, where we just went by the nature reserves, just right on the outskirts of the beach. So we're going to have a proper look at it today. We won't leave it till the summer.
There is a museum here as well,
Yeah.
but it's Sunday, so the museum is closed. but we can see through the window, we can see the plane and stuff, so we'll show you what we can see.
Yes.
As usual, take lots of photographs, check out our Instagram, and yeah, let's have a look around, see what we can see.
As you can see, we can't see much of the plane. You've got to pay to go in, but hopefully Matt can get a nice photograph. But on video, it's just a reflective glass. All you can see is me. Not very interesting.
There's a fight, sirens drive by, someone singing about the heartaches of her life. Outside a bar, a woman is waiting for a man to end his shift and take her home. I see a star slowly fading by a table where he's drinking all alone.
So the landing craft that you can see here, if I walk around, you can see here, you can see inside. So the landing craft that's here is because the Higgins boat. So it was designed by Andrew Jackson Higgins from New Orleans. During the D-Day landings, there was over 1,000, so 1,086, I think it was, 89 landing crafts were used during the D-Day landings. Each of these carried 36 troops at 12 knots, which is just incredible. They had 4 personnel aboard, a crewman, a helmsman, and then 2 gunners. So yeah, it's really cool to see here. It's still intact. Fascinating place.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
So there's loads of little memorial bits around here. Hope you can hear me okay because it is quite windy. The one we've just come into shows, what are they?
So there's plaques along the
That's
wall.
the one,
We'll show you in a
plaques.
second. There's plaques all along this wall, and it shows the direction of ships. So this one in front of us was 16.3 miles offshore. The Augusta, a flagship for the Western Navy, and it was sank from this battlement here. So each of these tell you where the ships were, how far away they were, and it was shot by this
Gun.
cannon. Yeah, I was trying to think what the word is. Battery. That was the word I was looking for.
Yes.
This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or
So for anybody that doesn't know, Utahbeach was one of the 5 landing places during D-Day for World War II. This is the southernmost one, and the beach runs for about 7 kilometres until it gets to the next one, which I think is Gold Beach, where the Mulberry Bridge is. It's an amazing place to come. It's free apart from the museum, and everything's in English, so it's nice and easy to read, doesn't need to be translated, but it's quite touching how many memorials there are, how many people died on this beach just behind us.
If you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave.
Look a bit dishevelled.
Okay, so hopefully you can hear us. It's a little bit windy. Our plans obviously changed today. We came here instead. We weren't anticipating to come here, but it's an amazing place and definitely worth a visit. Jessie's going to write her blog. We'll leave the link in the description. Check that out, because that's going to give you more detail about everything that's here and what went on and all that sort of thing. As usual, Instagram accounts, give us a check out, maybe give us a follow. And next week we are heading to the Netherlands again. We're going to go and see Albie, go and do a bit of exploring there. It's just a whistle-top tour, but we'll take you guys along and show you. So that'll be next Friday. So until then, please consider subscribing. As usual, it really, really helps. We love seeing the channel grow. It looks great. Give us a thumbs up for the video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't. Of course, ring the little bell to notify you when we're back.
Ding, ding, ding.
So yeah, until then, have a great week. Bye.